What's up YouTube? Dan with Rimrite. Thought we'd take a moment just to do a quick video and kind of show you the shop where we work at so we can go over our equipment and what we use, and then we'll run some other videos with entry-level stuff like Eastwood's gun and the little oven. So over here we've got the oven we started with, just a household oven. They're great to use if you could get your electrical hooked up out in your garage or shop. You never want to cook food in those things after you powder coat. And then when we upgraded, we built this 5x5x6 oven just out of steel studs and sheet panels. Over here we got our full spectrum laser where we laser etch cups. Basically we powder coat them. This is a candy coat, and then we laser etch them. That's when we kind of messed up, so I use that for my coffee every morning. And then on the other side of the shop, we've got the large powder coating booth. Back when I first started, I was in an 800 square foot shop. We used to spray out in the open and just clean up every time. So that's really nice to have. We've got the box feed system here. You'll see the Eastwood dual voltage gun laying on the floor, which we'll go over more of that on the next video. And then we've got the 12-foot deep, 6-foot tall gas oven. So that's just a quick video of our shop. The next video we're going to go over some of the Eastwood gun setups and the different stuff just to get you powder coating right away. If you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure to subscribe so you can follow along. We'll be answering questions on powder coating tips, tricks, and all that kind of stuff too. So thanks for watching.